Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. If you want to remove some basic browsing data, you can simply tap on clear browsing data here and you will be able to do it quickly. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, then just tap on the history. Of course, here you've got all previously visited websites and you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button. But let's simply tap on clear browsing data at the top. And right here we've got basic options. Those three are available in this kind of shorter way to remove browsing history. So the history itself, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced section we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that everything is marked. You can also change the time range. You can set all time, but also, for example, last 7 days, last hour, or even 15 minutes. So it's up to you. Just choose the option you'd like to use and tap on clear data. Let's confirm it with clear, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.